I had the idea to take this meme account, which is now very dead, and see if I could find a way to fully automate it, just for fun. Because why not? Besides, the rule always holds true. Never spend 30 seconds doing something if you can spend 3 hours trying to find a way to automate it. Okay, but jokes aside, humans are very routine creatures. We do a lot of the same tasks over and over and over again throughout the course of our lives. And if we can find ways to speed up or entirely automate certain things, we can actually save massive amounts of time in the long run. For example, I'm gonna go out on a limb and assume that many of you watching this video right now use a computer fairly often. And when you're on a computer, probably a lot of that time you spend in a browser. When you're in a browser, you need to open new tabs. When you go to open a new tab, you could either drag the mouse over and click the little plus sign, or you could hold Control and press T. For a simple calculation, let's assume that dragging the mouse and clicking the plus sign takes 1 full second, whereas using Control T takes 0.5 or 1/2 of a second. I just did some extensive academic research and found that according to the University of College State, the average human opens anywhere between a few 100,000 to a few million tabs in their lifetime. Those of you watching this are likely higher than average, as you are all fellow internet dwellers, so I'm gonna assume 2 million tabs for all of you, and let's go with that calculation. In conclusion, using Control T to open a new tab instead of using your mouse to press the button will save you roughly 1 million seconds over the course of your lifetime. That's roughly equivalent to 17,000 minutes, 280 hours, or 12 full 24-hour days. Imagine how many reels you could scroll in that amount of time. That was entirely too much dilly-dallying. Back to automating this meme account. Okay, let's do this. To get a fully automated post, I'm gonna need at least 4 things. We need somewhere where we can go get memes automatically and for free. I'm not about to spend money on this. And before anyone comes at me for the ethics of taking someone else's meme and sharing it on a different platform, just think of it as going into a big room with a lot of people and showing someone a meme you found. Doesn't mean you made it, you're just sharing it. Plus, it's an educational project and I don't really care, whatever. Okay, back to the script. Now that we have our meme from a source, we need to use that meme to automatically create a new Instagram post. Then we just need some way to add a caption automatically. And finally, we need something to actually trigger the script that will make all of this happen in the first place without me having to do anything. I mean, the whole point of this was to eliminate manual labor, so it would kind of defeat the purpose if I had to go and actually start up a script personally, physically. When I was in university, I actually had a data science course that I needed to get data for, and we actually scraped data from Reddit, so I actually have a little bit of background experience for this. So don't ever let anyone tell you a CS degree isn't worth it, because it might help you make an automated meme account one day. But anyway, it turns out having done something before doesn't mean you can do it again, so I had to go ask Google and GPT to give me some ideas on how to actually do this, and they were really helpful. So the first thing I had to do is install a library called Python Reddit API Wrapper, which will basically let us actually interact with the website through script. Then to actually log into this session, you'll need a user token and secret to plug into the code. To actually get that, you need to make a Reddit app, which sounds kind of complicated, but it's really straightforward and easy.